Today I have an aloe vera that was brought to me by a friend, and it needs some TLC, definitely. It's in too big a pot with heavy soil, not enough light, it appears, from the mother plant. So I'm going to pot these up in the babies in individual pots, cut off the mother plant, let it callus, and then pot it in its own pot. The babies will go in 3-inch pots. Mother will go in a 4-inch pot. You can see there's like rotten roots and little baby roots coming out. Yeah, that's rotten. Too much water. Not letting it dry out. Yeah. This one's rotten too. So we'll let this mother one callus over. It'll grow. I like the older leaves. These have elongated, I think, not enough light. Yeah, this is going to take about 24 to 48 hours to callus, so put that aside and get rid of this pot. And I'll be right back. I need to get some hydrogen peroxide. I'm going to spray these and get the dirt off as best I can and clip the rotten part off. This is just plain water with a dechlorinator in it. That one looks okay. These things try to grow. They really try. Okay, now I'm going to treat with hydrogen peroxide. And I'll let that sit there for a couple hours. Okay, my little aloes soaked in some hydrogen peroxide and water. They all had root rot. They weren't doing very well. Got a little damage there. This one also has damage. I don't know from what. This one looks like it was cut or eaten. I think these were outside. I don't know. Yeah, anyway, I'm putting them in pots with a mix I use for my aloes, Christmas cactus, it's 10 cups peat, 5 cups perlite, and 3 cups lava rock. Okay. These are so easy to plant. There's nothing to it. Just make sure the roots are covered. Don't plant it too deep and don't plant it too shallow. If you hear a weird noise, that's the landlord washing the building. So it's kind of loud. Oops. In a couple weeks, when these have recovered, I'll give you an update. And that's it. The mother plant is callousing, and I will be planting that probably tomorrow or the day after. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to visit houseplants.help, where you can get articles and information about different plants, and you can also purchase plants from my store. Thank you. Bye.